As we opened another section of the wall, we discovered additional damage that needed to be addressed. The previous structure used a type of wood that isn't meant to be buried in soil, which caused it to rot from the inside over time. Because of this, we moved forward with repairing the entire section properly. While digging out the post for the adjacent retaining wall, more underlying issues became visible. Situations like this can happen during a restoration project, but doing the job right means fixing the root of the problem, not just what's visible. Our goal is to restore the retaining wall with the correct materials, solid construction to ensure long term strength and durability.